he dives inside. Side by side, a TG's league and
Final lap, he dives inside. Side by side, this is legendary.
You don't stand a chance. Watch me turn this around.
Today, we're putting two AI video giants in the ring. Kling 2.6, the model everyone is calling scary accurate, versus Veo 3.1, hyped for its cinematic realism and native audio. Before we dive in, a quick note. I'm running this entire comparison inside Artlist. Everything is bundled in one place. Image generators, editors, and the latest advanced video models, all accessible from a single dashboard. If you need narration but don't have a mic or studio setup, Artlist's AI voiceover is a total lifesaver. Just write your script, click generate, and your voiceover is ready to publish. No juggling multiple subscriptions. It's all streamlined, simple, and surprisingly efficient, perfect for testing models side by side. I move into the video section. We're using the exact same prompt for both models, so everything stays fair. I type in my prompt. A casual moment inside a small barbershop as an older barber is cutting a long-haired man's hair. The background is an indoor barbershop. First, I select Kling 2.6. I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose a 10-second duration. Then I click Generate. And here is the resulting clip. Kling 2.6 handled this really well. The delivery of the voices, emotional expression, and timing all sound convincing.
All right, my friend, what were you thinking for today? I don't know, Santiago. How about we try something different today?
Especially when the barber casually says, "All right, my friend, what are we thinking for today?" And the client naturally replies, "I'm not sure, Santiago. Maybe we should try something different today?" The native audio quality is solid, and overall, the scene plays out smoothly without any noticeable distortion in the visuals or dialogue. The face stays consistent, the emotion is believable. Overall, the video is very impressive. The exchange feels authentic and engaging in Kling 2.6. Now let's repeat the process with Veo 3.1. Same text input, same duration, same settings, everything identical. I generate the clip, and here is Veo's result.
All right, my friend, what were you thinking for today? I don't know, Santiago. How about we try something different today?
The dialogue is spoken incorrectly. The lines are switched around, the tone doesn't match the situation, and it feels like the narrators are reading the wrong script. Because one test isn't enough to crown a winner. I used this prompt. A realistic sports video shows a male figure skater skating alongside an upright polar bear wearing white skates on an Olympic ice rink. So I set up Kling 2.6 Pro first. Aspect ratio set to 16:9, duration 10 seconds, full 1080p resolution, and then generate. Here's the result. Movement is surprisingly smooth, and both subjects are present, but the main issue is that the skater and the bear kind of merge into one another. Then I ran the exact same prompt through Veo 3.1. Same setup, selected Veo, chose 16:9, kept the resolution at 1080p, set the duration to 8 seconds, and hit Generate. And here is what Veo produced.
Synchronized twizzles followed by intricate footwork. And look at that dramatic finish. The crowd is on their feet.
This time, the polar bear and the skater exist separately. They are skating, yes, but not synchronized or interacting as the prompt instructed. So now it's your turn to decide. Tell me down in the comments, which model delivered the better action accuracy? I will show a few more side-by-side results on screen, and you can tell me in the comments which model you think performed better.
clink.
Take this! You won't win that easily! Counterattack! Here comes the spike!
Not this time.
Watch the spike. I got it. Nice save.
Oh, let's go.
This is the ride of a lifetime. Hold tight, here we go. Whoa! Feel the rhythm defy gravity. This is the moment where motion meets stillness.
Can't hear you, the traffic is crazy. I'll be there when I can.
This was better than I expected.
That's hilarious.
Let's begin. Ready for more.
Everything must be perfectly aligned for optimal flight. This rotor mount holds the key to stability.
Can't let them get ahead. Try and keep up! The glacier is cracking everyone. Move out. Witness the strength of tradition. Feel the energy in every move.